Now, some of you might think carrots are boring. You might see them as just another vegetable, a side dish at best. You might relegate them to the sad corner of your refrigerator, next to that limp lettuce and the questionable yogurt. But what if I told you that these humble roots have a rich history and an incredible journey before they even reach your kitchen? But I'm here to tell you, carrots have a story to tell, a story that starts in the dirt and ends in a refreshing glass of juice. It's a story of mud, sweat, and hopefully, not too many tears. Farmers work tirelessly, battling the elements and pests to bring these vibrant vegetables to life. We start, as all good things do, with the earth itself. The soil is the foundation, rich and dark, teeming with nutrients that will nourish the growing carrots. The soil needs to be just right for those little orange fellas to thrive. Farmers test and amend the soil, ensuring it has the perfect balance of minerals and organic matter. Then there's the planting, the agonizing wait as they grow, and the eventual glorious harvest. It's a process that requires patience and care as each seedling is nurtured to maturity. But it doesn't end there. Oh no, my friend, the journey's just begun. Once harvested, the carrots are carefully transported to processing facilities. The carrots are washed, peeled, and juiced within an inch of their lives. This meticulous process ensures that every bit of dirt is removed, and only the freshest, most vibrant carrots make it through. Finally, they end up in your glass, a vibrant testament to the miracle of nature and, well, farming. Each sip is a culmination of months of hard work and dedication. So buckle up, because we're about to take a deep dive into the fascinating world of carrot farming and juice production. From the fields to the factory, every step is a marvel of agricultural science and human ingenuity. You might just learn a thing or two. Whether it's about soil health, crop rotation, or the latest in juicing technology, there's always something new to discover. And you might even start looking at carrots in a whole new light. So, next time you see a carrot, remember its journey from mud to bottle, and appreciate the incredible effort that goes into every single one. Right then, first things first, the soil. The foundation of any successful carrot crop starts here. You can't just chuck some carrot seeds on any old patch of dirt and expect miracles. Carrots are quite particular about their growing conditions. Carrots are picky little blighters. They like their soil loose, well-drained, and full of nutrients. This means the soil needs to be free of stones and debris that could hinder their growth. That's where the farmer comes in. Armed with a trusty plow, he churns up the earth, breaking up any hard clods and giving the soil a good airing. This process is crucial, as it ensures the soil is aerated and loose enough for the carrot roots to penetrate deeply. Think of it as fluffing up a pillow, but on a much larger, dirtier scale. The goal is to create a soft, crumbly texture that will allow the carrots to grow straight and long. Next comes the fertilization. Just like you and I need our vitamins, carrots need their nutrients. The soil must be rich in organic matter to support healthy growth. The farmer adds compost or manure, enriching the soil and giving those little orange chaps the best possible start in life. This step is essential as it provides the necessary nutrients that will sustain the carrots throughout their growing period. It's all about creating the perfect environment for carrot growing success. By ensuring the soil is well prepared, the farmer sets the stage for a bountiful harvest. The right soil conditions can make all the difference between a mediocre crop and a thriving one. Additionally, the farmer might test the soil's pH levels to ensure it's within the ideal range for carrots, which is slightly acidic to neutral. Adjustments can be made by adding lime or sulfur to balance the pH. Proper irrigation is also key. The soil should be kept consistently moist but not waterlogged. Overwatering can lead to root rot, while underwatering can stunt growth. With the soil perfectly prepared, the farmer can now look forward to a healthy, vibrant crop of carrots. It's a labor of love, but the results are well worth the effort. With the soil prepped and ready to go, it's time for the main event, planting the seeds. Now you might think this involves scattering handfuls of seeds willy-nilly, like some sort of agricultural confetti. But it's a bit more precise than that. Carrots need their space. Cram them in too close together and they'll end up stunted and deformed. Not a good look for a carrot. The farmer uses a seeder, a marvelous contraption that ensures each seed is planted at the correct depth and distance. It's a bit like a high-stakes game of vegetable Tetris, but the farmer's a pro. He knows that proper spacing is crucial for healthy growth and a bountiful harvest. Once the seeds are safely tucked away in their earthy beds, the real work begins. The farmer becomes a caretaker, nurturing those little green shoots as they emerge and begin their journey towards carrothood. Regular watering is essential, of course, but it's not just a case of pointing a hose and hoping for the best. The farmer has to be vigilant, monitoring the soil moisture and adjusting the irrigation as needed. Too much water and the carrots will rot. Too little, and they'll be stunted and dry. Then there's the weeding. Nobody likes a weed, especially not a carrot. The farmer spends hours upon hours, bent over the rows, meticulously removing any unwanted vegetation that dares to compete with his precious crop. Section 5. The harvest, from ground to glory, or at least a truck. After weeks of patient tending, the moment of truth arrives, harvest time. The anticipation has been building, and now, the culmination of all that hard work is finally here. The once tiny seedlings have transformed into plump orange carrots, hidden beneath the soil like buried treasure. Each carrot represents the dedication and care that went into nurturing it from a seed. Now, some farmers still harvest their carrots the old-fashioned way by hand. This method, though labor-intensive, connects them deeply to the land and their produce. It's backbreaking work, but someone's got to do it. The sweat and toil are part of a tradition that has been passed down through generations. They loosen the soil with a fork, then grab the leafy tops and pull, extracting the carrots from their earthy slumber. Each pull is a small victory, a testament to their perseverance. But these days, many farmers rely on machines to do the heavy lifting. Technology has revolutionized the way we harvest, making the process faster and more efficient. Mechanical harvesters trundle through the fields, effortlessly unearthing the carrots and depositing them into waiting trailers. These machines can harvest acres of carrots in a fraction of the time it would take by hand. It's a sight to behold, a symphony of whirring gears and orange vegetables. The precision and speed of these machines are truly remarkable, showcasing the advancements in agricultural technology. Whether by hand or machine, the journey from ground to glory is a testament to the hard work and innovation of farmers. As the truck drives away, loaded with freshly harvested carrots, it symbolizes the culmination of their efforts and the promise of nourishment for many. Section 6. Sorting, washing, and other such nonsense. Once the carrots are out of the ground, they're whisked away for some post-harvest pampering. First up, it's the sorting table. Here, any damaged or deformed carrots are removed, along with any stones or clods of earth that manage to hitch a ride. Then it's time for a wash. The carrots are tumbled through a series of rotating brushes and jets of water, removing any remaining dirt and debris. They emerge sparkling clean, ready for the next stage of their journey. It's a far cry from their muddy beginnings, but the transformation isn't over yet. The carrots are about to embark on their final, liquid adventure. Section 7. Juicing time. From pulp to liquid gold. Now for the main event, juicing. The clean and sorted carrots are fed into an industrial-sized juicer. It's a fearsome machine, with blades whirring at unimaginable speeds. The carrots are pulverized into a fine pulp, releasing their sweet, earthy nectar. The juice is then extracted, leaving behind a pile of dry, fibrous pulp. Don't worry, that doesn't go to waste. It's used as animal feed or compost, completing the circle of life. The freshly squeezed juice is then pasteurized, a process that involves heating it to a specific temperature for a set amount of time. This kills off any harmful bacteria, ensuring the juice is safe to drink. Section 8. Respect the juice, a carrot's journey. And there you have it. The journey from muddy field to refreshing glass of carrot juice is complete. It's a journey that's both simple and complex, a testament to the ingenuity of humans and the bounty of nature. So, next time you find yourself reaching for a glass of carrot juice, take a moment to appreciate the effort that went into producing it. From the farmer who tilled the soil to the workers who harvested and processed the carrots, it's a team effort. And spare a thought for the humble carrot itself, sacrificing its crunchy orange life so that you can enjoy a refreshing and nutritious beverage. It's a story worth telling, one sip at a time.